TTADC Executive Member Runal Debarma celebrated the 117th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur by distributing sports equipment to local youths and cutting a cake with school children on Tuesday. The event, funded through the personal MDC fund, was a tribute to the Maharaja's enduring legacy of public service.
This initiative is part of a recurring tradition of E.M. Debarma, who has consistently shown his reverence for the royal family on special occasions, including the birthdays of Maharaja Pradit Kishore Debarma and Maharaja Bir Bikram. The distribution of sports materials aims to encourage the local youth and foster a spirit of community well-being. Also present at the celebration were several local dignitaries, including Lefunga Block President Deepak Debarma, Lefunga YTF President Prasanta Debarma, and TWF members Sagarika and Nupur Debarma.
19 August sini modern architect Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur ni asema sal o asema salor gei ni sing lepunga hatiwo bini mang thongo khumlaikya tai kini 19 August Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya ni asema salor gei singdal bidal program khai dosini 14 bujong norwaki ora Fungjorao Singpuilana Goria Academio Tangi or a student rock by Cake Ralai, Taibong rock, Kupi rock, Food rock, Sazone Mani rock, Salai, Sing Bugam Tang like Ampere, Sing Senior Lefunga Hatin Manko, like a Cine Block Committee Show, Cine YTF, TWF, EF, Joton of Minlay. Get our next program, Cine, Lefunga School Ground, Lefunga School Ground, Sing 17th BC, 17th BC 14 bujong na working over khobjak mani oroni joto kami sing volleyball net, football net sing baglai nei jam tai ompore paithago onkai saring tindao onkai kaise friendly match ngai Synod School versus Blessed Under School
both hayong janai bo
Omongai Lefunga High School ground tai dini Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur ne asima salor gei Tripura hastini jotto sinti prasado phanlu kuruna khaka hamte hamzo moya.
Their participation highlighted the collective effort to honor the architect of modern Tripura and continue his vision of development and empowerment for all. Reported by Samir from Lefunga, Chinikhora.